Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Welcome to my channel. The YouTube studio has a dashboard, it has an analytics, and it has so many functionalities for so many indicators which are provided by the YouTube team, uh, which facilitates the creators of the videos to watch, to monitor their progress, and uh, do the needful means use all these statistics and all these reports and for better decision making and work out your way forward. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can update your lesson files when you have all your contents listed in in your the content folder. Okay, yes, these are the contents which you have been uploading. Yeah, I have been uploading all these contents, and each content has this button which takes you to the description of the content and the file, the Excel files. Excel files are placed in the OneDrive with following a certain naming convention that these are located in the VBA folder. This is the VBA folder. You can see lesson number and the topic, and it contains all the material related to this the practice sheet which the viewers can download and do the practice of the learning from that video, right? And also each lesson file has a list of the connection, the links to our other videos, so that users can use the hyperlinks there to directly reach to their desired video. So it works like a playlist for them as well. So it gives a convenience for them. It gives you the further statistics which are normally available to the people who are creating it, but not to the viewers. But we are making it available to our viewers so that they can decide which video uh, uh, to watch, and which are the popular ones, and how many views and subscribers have been generated through each video, etc. What is the watch time, etc. Right? So we have to update. So we have a VBA program. We use our Excel expertise to update all these files automatically. Right? This is what I want to show you. That how do I do that? Okay. So let's go to the analytics. Hmm? We go to the analytics, and first thing we do is that we go to the see more. Right? We go to the see more. So here we have all these full range of reports available, and hundreds of parameters available, and you can utilize them. Okay. So the first thing we do here is that we make it to last lifetime so that all of our videos are listed. But YouTube has a limitation that it can only show you up to 50 results at a time and 500 results. It cannot go or above the 500 results. Okay, no problem. So our analysis will be based upon the top 500. Okay. So what we do is we sort it subscriber wise. So that's very interesting. That which of our video has earned us more subscriber. So this is a very useful indicator, and this talks about the popularity. How popular is that particular video? So the solver has been the topmost 70 subscriber on this single video. Wonderful. Out of 1193. Okay, so what we do is that we update this information into all the lesson files by means of using the Google Sheet download option, right? So first, to let it come to a Google Sheet. As soon as it reaches to Google Sheet, a new tab will be open in front of you, and you will be seeing all this in a spreadsheet. Okay. If it does not come, then you can click here to force it bring the Google Sheet. So this is our Google Sheet. 49,000 views. Almost 6,000 watch time hours, 1193 subscribers, right? And estimated revenue is $22.78. Huge amount, wonderful. And it's just because we have to decide. Yeah, we have to change our strategy so that this is our weakness, and we have to improve it. Okay, so the better is the quality of our work. So the more expensive ads will generate more funds, and then we will get this figure up. Okay, no problem. There can be so many factors which we have to find it out. So our first thing is that we try to facilitate our viewers to increase the views and watch time. So we are not worrying about this part. Okay. So this will come over the passage of time, inshallah. Okay, so we do the downloading. Let's download it into the Excel. Okay, as soon as it gets downloaded, you get such a prompt and you open that folder and you open this file too. Okay, so this file is opened. Yeah, okay, this file is open. We enable the editing, although we don't have to, but okay, this is perfect. And we select everything here and all pressing Control A would do. Okay, and make sure that it is completely covering. Control A is completely covering all the range. And so let's make sure. And one extra line is coming. So we hold down Shift and up arrow so that it adjusts everything. Okay. So this is how it is now selected. Now we press Control C in here and we get back to our sheet. This is our master file in which we have to put it in here. We paste it, right? So we will, as soon as we paste it, we will lose these hyperlinks and this all information will be replaced. Let's paste it. Okay, we have pasted it. Good. So how to bring the hyperlinks back? We have to means leave this sheet out and get back again. So this will bring the hyperlinks. Why? Because we have written a code in it. If you go to and see the view code in here, so it is doing this job of hyperlinking automatically upon the activation of the sheet. Okay, so that's why we went out from this sheet and we came back again. So that forced the system to bring the hyperlink back. Okay, and we want something to write here so that the users know that how old is this information. And so we have this part ready here. We copy, we move it, we put it right here. Okay, that's it. So that the users can get this information. That clicking on the hyperlink will take you to the desired video. And today's these figures which you are seeing, these are updated on 26th of February. Today is 27. Okay, right. So the figures are of course for 1 day before. That is 49,000 views, almost 6,000 watch time hours, 1193. That's all good. Okay, so this is only updated on one sheet. But now we are going to do a process that is going to, first of all, to update all the 400 plus lesson files automatically. So what we do here, we first of all close the file. If any extra file is opening, we close it so that the system is free from any burden, right? So not done, and the number of files done, and what these are the when it's going to start it and else. Okay, so what it is going to do is it is clear all the error logs here, and it will start doing the job. Okay, all we need to do is press this start. It will say start from the beginning, confirm. Yes, starting from lesson number 3. Of course, this is our first lesson, yeah, to start with. Okay, so what it is doing now, it is to start taking each lesson file, opening it, deleting any playlist already there, and replacing it with the latest playlist hyperlinked one, which we have updated today, and that is going to be updated into the file without disturbing the link, the OneDrive link, which has already been communicated to all the viewers through our description of the videos, right? So this is how all the files are updated, which are already shared with the viewers. You see, so it is now working. It is telling you that how long it is taking to update a file and close the file, then take a new file. So how, and in the end you will get the summary that when so we do it in the night before going to bed. We have do it, and when we get up, the job is already done. Okay, for us, and with the summary and all the files which are in use of our respected viewers, so they are updated so that they can have a latest update of the playlist, and they can use it, use the hyperlinks to watch the desired video. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you next time.